taking this way too seriously.
You gonna roll over?
Oh, you can do it. You've
Look
almost
at you.
got it. Holy crap, you almost had it.
Oh my goodness, we're gonna be in so much trouble with you.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Oh dear.
Almost.
Oh, I just want to give you a push. Just lay over. Just lay over. Right over here, buddy.
When is this supposed to happen?
I don't know. I don't think at 1 month. Oh, buddy, you are so close. Oh! Good job, kiddo. Way to go.
No way.
Way to go.
Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to wake up Mom.
I am so proud of you. Yeah, okay, we'll get up now. Alright. Or are you going to come back over on your belly?
I want him to look this way to have a complete rollover. Clayton. Oh my gosh.
Well, he's on his back. I mean, it's not like it's
crazy.
incomplete.
Unreal.